The principal described the team of teachers joining Cohort 1 as a cohesive group, but he wanted teachers at his school to move away from conventional pedagogy and look forward to participating teachers spreading this work to other grades. A few months later, the facilitator started planning sessions with Cohort 1. Over the course of the semester, they completed 10 planning sessions. In June of 2018, they started 4 days of implementation in the classroom. The next week, the principal at School C attended an administrator meeting with the principal investigator, the facilitator, and a researcher. Later, researchers evaluated that initial plan. It received its highest marks in alignment with desired results and lowest marks in STEM conceptualization, for a total of 6 out of 12 possible points. In late October of 2018, the team reconvened to begin planning another project. They met 6 times during the fall of 2018. They started implementing their second project in December 2018 and continued in January 2019. During one of these visits, the assistant principal joined the team. During that visit, the facilitator noted how teachers excitedly discussed their projects and how happy they were that they brought project work designed carefully into these units. They felt the time spent with CTSC was well worth it and resulted in more rigorous yet creative teaching and learning. The facilitator continued. Teachers could not stop talking about their own growth and how much more interested students were. The second project, designed by Cohort 1, excelled in alignment with desired results in STEM conceptualization, the latter seeming to move from a challenge to a strength, for a total of 9 out of 12 possible points. In January of 2019, the facilitator met with Cohort 2 teachers for a meet and greet that allowed the principal to publicly advocate for the work and the larger group of teachers and the facilitator to discuss scheduling sessions. One teacher in particular seemed adversarial in this first meeting. In the spring of 2019, Cohort 2 met 9 times. During their first cycle, the facilitator met with the administrator once. The first project from Cohort 2, which researchers scored as a 7 out of 12, received lower marks in alignment of desired results in STEM conceptualization. Over the summer of 2019, none of the teachers in Cohort 2 attended a summer institute. In the fall of 2019, the facilitator met with the team 5 times and wrapped up planning with 2 extended sessions in January of 2020 before the onset of the pandemic.